I'm Kai with Rebuilding Green. We are based out of San Diego, up in Santa Isabel. Our owner, Jenny Crane, a very busy woman, changed a lot of laws and everything, and got to design one of these units called the Aspen with the big A-frame on the front. You guys want to follow me? Take you inside. So, this unit comes out to 388 square feet. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you're going to notice, of course, the big A-frame window from the outside. Amazing. This unit comes, it's 13 feet 4 inches wide, almost roughly about 30 feet from front to back. And then for this unit specifically, if you come follow me over here, you can see that it is a 1-bedroom with a 1 loft up top. And then after, sorry, if you wanted to go around too, if you want to check, I put a full bed up there for reference about the space looks up there. And if you wanted to follow me, this is going to be the 1-bedroom. We also put full in here with the bathroom with some custom tile also in there. This unit, how it comes right now off the show model, it is 117,777. And then if you were going to buy it, normally, not from Tiny Fest, it comes out to 120 with all the upgrades we've done to it. And what I mean by that is just smaller things, like in the bathroom right here, you'll see some of the upgraded tile work we did in the bathroom. We have some more little windows, and the mini splits come a little bit extra, but if you were going to do everything basic, how it comes, the Aspen with the 1-bedroom, 1 loft comes out to 94.5 for the total of it. But this one isn't just how it comes. You can also do just a 1-bedroom. The 1-bedroom comes out. It'll just, for the bedroom, it raises the ceilings up to the top. Same with the bathroom. And then the walls come out to around here, where you're able to fit a closet on this side and actually fit a whole queen bed in there instead. And if you're going to do the 1-bedroom, it comes out to 86.5, which is a bit of a price drop. But if you don't need that loft up there for no reason, because it is a bit smaller, it's about 43 inches for the height up there. And if you didn't have kids or need storage or anything, then you can just opt the 1-bedroom to get it cheaper. But that is our Aspen with the big A-frame unit right up front. And yes.
Awesome.
Thank you.